Good morning, sir. So tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. Thank you so much for having me today. From a young age, I've always been drawn in helping others. This passion for making a positive impact naturally led me to pursue a career in nursing. I am Christian Pangalay, recently graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Nursing from Universidad de Zamboanga, Pagadian City campus. My studies provided a strong foundation in all aspects of patient care equipping, equipping me with the knowledge and skills to excel in various clinical settings. Throughout my academic journey, I honed my skills in patient assessment, medications administrations, critical thinking, and communications. These skills were further solely defined during my clinical rotations, where I excelled in interacting with patients, effectively with teams, and demonstrating knee eye for detail. Beyond the clinical aspect of nursing, I possess strong interpersonal qualities that make me well-rounded caregiver. I am a compassionate individual who prioritizes providing uh, empathetic, holistic care to patients. Additionally, my strong communications skills allow me to build rapport with patients and alike fostering a collaborative and supportive work environment. While I'm particularly interested in the clinical nurse educator position, I am a fast learner and to gain a hands-on experience in a clinical setting your institution offers. I thrive in fast-paced environments and believe my adaptability, teamwork skills, and ingenious to learn would make me a valuable asset to your team. I'm incredibly excited to begin my nursing career and contribute to creating a positive patient experience that will add to your team. I'm eager to learn from my experienced nurses and grow my skills to become a valuable asset to your team. Thank you.
So why did you choose your school, your major?
Thank you, sir. I choose University of Zamboanga for its renowned nursing program. They have a strong reputations for experienced faculty focus on evidence-based practice, specialized tracks focus on a patient-centered care, and a strong sense of community. My major nursing was a natural choice for me because of my passion for helping others and making a positive impact on their lives. During my clinical rotations at Universidad de Zamboanga, I found interest in environment, the clinical thinking required, the opportunity to work with a specific patient's population. Thank you, sir.
What do you think was the most significant lesson that you learned from school?
For me, sir, during my final semester, I was assigned to a busy medical surgical unit. We had a patient, AB, who was recovering from a complex surgery. She was a, she was in a lot of pain and struggling to manage it with traditional medications. My task, along with me, the nursing team, was to ensure the patient's comfort and well-being. This meant working collaboratively to find alternative pain management strategies. I consulted with the patient, their doctor, and the other nurses. We explored various non-pharmaceutical options like relaxations, techniques, positioning changes, and heat therapy. I also documented the patient's response to these interventions meticulously through consistent communications, and a team effort, we were able to significantly improve and patient's pain management without additional medications. AB became for comfortable and engaged in the recovery process. Thank you, sir.
So, what do you know about our company?
Uh, for me, sir, is sir. Can you please again the question?
What do you know about our company?
Before coming for this interview, I took some time to learn about your company. I review your website and some recent news articles about the company. I was particularly interested in learning about your commitment to providing high quality patient care and your focus on innovations in nursing education. I am impressed by your company's reputations for excellence, and I believe that my skills and experience would be a valuable asset to your team. I am confident that I can contribute to your continued success in providing exceptional education to your future nurses. Thank you, sir.
Why did you apply for this job?
Sir, for me, I was created with a vast knowledge based in various medical fields, including nursing. I am constantly nursing and updating in my information to stay current on base practices and research. I am programmed to be informative and educational. One of my core functionalities is to explain complex topics in a clear and understandable way. I saw this clinical nurses educator posting and recognized a strong alignment between my capabilities and the requirements of the role. I believe I could use my knowledge and communication skills to effectively develop and deliver engaging educational programs for nurses. I am uh, and I believe about this opportunity to contribute the professional development of nurses and ultimate improve patient care. Thank you, sir.
So, how do you think will you succeed in this position?
For me, sir, throughout my nursing career, I encountered various situations that demanded clear communications and effective teaching. For instance, while working at General Hospital, I mentored new nurses on the Unit 2 floor. I identified areas where they needed the most support and developed personalized training plans. I utilized a variety of teaching rather, methods including simulations, role playing, exercises, and one-on-one instructions to cater to different learning styles. I also encourage open communications and actively address any questions or concerns they had. This approach resulted in all the new nurses I'm ensured successfully passing their competency exams and feeling confidence in their ability to provide safe and effective patient care. This experience solidified my passion for fostering knowledge and building strong critical skills in nurses. I am committed to continuous learning and staying current on a latest evidence-based practice and advancement advisement rather in nursing. I regularly participate in professional development opportunities to ensure and I'm delivering the most relevant and up-to-date information to students. I am passionate about creating a dynamic and interactive learning environment, and I utilize a variety of teaching methods to cater the different learning styles and keep students engaged. This includes incorporating simulations, case studies technologies, and encouraging active participation and discussions. I believe in ongoing assessment and evaluations to ensure student and grasping the material and effectively applying their knowledge in clinical settings. I utilize a combinations of methods like a quizzes, skills demonstrations, and performance evaluations to track progress and identify areas where additional support may be needed. I value collaborations and fostering positive relationships with students and healthcare professionals. And I believe in open communications and working together to create a supportive learning environment that promotes student success. Thank you, sir, and good morning.